Hi. Today we're going to tell you how to fix suspended Google Ad account and how our Google partner team can help you with this question. Let's get started. What is meant by Google Ads policy account suspension? Google has a set of terms and conditions and Google Ads policies, which prohibits content it feels does not create a suitable environment for the advertising platform. This is why, on evaluation, if your account attracts any violation, a warning 7 days before your account suspension will be sent via notification outlining the policy infringement. How to fix suspended Google Ad account. In case of suspension due to billing and payment issues, Google takes promotional code abuse seriously. In the same way, if a user reverses a charge that was paid against a legitimate Google Ads balance, then the account may be suspended. In the former situation, the only solution is submitting an appeal, whereas in the latter, you can either make a payment or submit an appeal. In case of temporary suspension and/or due to violation of Google Ad Grants policy, if an unauthorized user is accessing your account, the account may be suspended. Also, if the Google Ad Grants policy doesn't comply, then suspension ensues. Do read the program policies to see if you can request reactivation. Suspension due to age requirements. You should be reportedly 18 or older to legally use Google Ads. In case you have mistakenly entered age below 18, here's what you can do. Go and log in to your Google Ads account. Then click the link to validate your genuine age by giving official paperwork or making a minor credit card purchase. Or you can request age verification, after which the Google Ads team will verify your real age and regain access to your account. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.